Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323, and today I am going to go through how to remove power steering rack out of your 323 Mazda EG series. Now it is a pretty full-on job, so you will need to literally remove the transmission and the engine. If something really badly goes wrong with your power steering rack like it has with mine, probably a little bit too aggressive driving, or it's just at that time with about 30-year-old car now, it's gonna need to probably have a really good look at it. Chunky, move on. Alright, so I've got the replacement part, I've got an engine out of the car, and I've just loosened up everything pretty much at a stage where I can show you what it's going to require to take the power steering rack out. Let's have a look. Righto, so here's the replacement power steering rack. It's an A-grade second-hand part. Thanks to Anzac Avenue Wreckers in Toowoomba, Queensland. You guys are legendary. You've helped me out quite a bit over the years. Buddy, okay, you're on camera now. Alright, so just quickly, Chunky here has been helping me rebuild an original carburetor. So that's done, it's clean. Onto the original intake manifold. I've tidied up the solenoid valves as well and cleaned all the hoses. So that's all done, that's ready to go onto engine B when I do a full cleanup of that. That's the engine that's just come out of the white car now. Here's engine A, fully restored, ready to go into the white car. Engine B will go into the green car, and I've got engine C in the workshop just outside. Yeah, there you go. So that's engine C there. Anyway, so here is a power steering rack pretty much released. It's held on by two 14mm nuts either side of the rack. So just assuming that you've got the engine and transmission out, and now you're down to this stage. All right, you're going to release this hose here, which connects, there it is, right here. So it's going to go onto that hose, that one. This one's getting disconnected from up top. And then you're just basically going to let that thing drain out. There is a bung on the bottom of it to help that process, but that looks like it's had some serious work over its years of other ownership, and I'm not going to even attempt to take that out. This rack is actually going to get converted to manual steer, so I'm going to loop this rack, and that will be another video at a later date. Totally different topic. So, carrying on, this rack is pretty much released. There are some things you're going to need to do on the inside though to get it to this stage first. So as I said, 14mm nuts, two here, two here. You'll release them. That's your last stage. But we'll just switch across to the inside of the car. Come in here, because you got to go all the way down underneath the pedal box here. And this is this little plate that's held on by four 10mm. Take him off. And then you'll come in, and at the bottom of the steering column is an intermediate shaft. Quite a small one. You've got to come in here, and at the bottom of the intermediate shaft is a 12mm. It's a bit of a shit to get in there, but you got to undo that. It's a pinch bolt. That pinch bolt will then allow the dry shaft to drop. So then, once these things are undone, you can go back outside, undo your 14mm, and make sure your hoses are all undone and it's drained as much as possible. You'll have to take off the inside dust guards as well with clip removers either side. There they are. And now the rack is ready to come out. So once it's pretty much drained, you just slide it through delicately, and you're pretty much good. Then you just put in the new one, bolt it all back up, and put in the other engine. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, because I'm obviously rebuilding this white car, and then I'll move on to the green one. So like, subscribe if you haven't already. You know the dealio.